Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Enhancing Road Safety, a Smart Vehicle, Smart Alcohol and Vehicle Accident Detection System with GSM, GPS and integration, SMS alert notification. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and it's connected to the Arduino Uno R3 board, 80 mega 328 controller IC board, and GSM SIM 900A. It is connected with the TX SMS alert. So we will get the Google Map location link with the SIM card to the other mobile number. Okay, so like latitude band, longitude band, if you press this, it will open the Google Map location. So here we are using GPS model, GPS GY6MV2 GPS model, and connected to the external serial communication third pin, and one alarm connected to the fifth pin, alcohol sensor connected to the A2. So whenever alcohol detected, it will send the Google Map location. So 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. So it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. ADXL335 accelerometer sensor connected to the X coordinate, Y coordinate, A0, A1. L293D is connected to the 6th pin and 7th pin. So motor 1 and motor 2, those are 300 RPM motors connected to the PWM pin of 6 and 7. So this is our total block diagram of the project. So let us coming into the hardware project. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A. So press down the SIM card. Okay. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card, then lock downside, unlock the SIM card, and slowly press the SIM card and lock the SIM card. So here we are using power socket 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. So Arduino 80 mega 328 controller, Arduino Uno R3 board, and alarm. So here we are using one GPS model and GPS antenna, GPS GY6MV2 GPS model. Red LED is on and off, then only we will get the latitude longitude band. MQ3 alcohol sensor, ADXL335 fault detection, right accident, left accident, back accident, front accident, L293D driver IC, and here we are using 300 RPM motors we are using. Okay, 300 RPM motor and 16 cross 2 LCD display. Now we are going to start the power supply. Enhancing road safety, a smart alcohol and vehicle accident detection system with GPS and GSM. GPS, so GPS LED is on and off, then only we will get the latitude longitude point. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully because SIM card is present. If it is not there, must and should it requires SIM card. So X coordinate, Y coordinate normal, there is no alcohol. So now alcohol based sanitizer we are taking. Okay. So alcohol detected. So sending SMS alert. Sending SMS. Message sent. It will send two SMS, one for me, another one is student number. So alcohol detected, vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Open the SIM card, open the link, and it will show you the SMS. svsembedded. Okay, alcohol detected. So it is 200 and below, then only it will come. Okay, if it is minor accident, we can press reset button. So this is the reset button. Latitude point, longitude point. Initializing GSM modem. power supply board, Arduino Uno R3, alarm, GPS module, GPS antenna, on off switch button, alcohol sensor, accelerometer sensor, L293D driver IC, 16x2 LC display, GSM SIM 900A. Now it is also okay. Now I am going for the right accident. If it is a minor accident, press reset button. If it is major accident, no need to press the button, reset button. Then it will send the SMS alert. Sending SMS. Message sent. Now it came. Right accident, vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. It will send 2 SMS, one for me, another one is the student number. Message sent. Okay, now we are going for the back accident, front accident. Front accident, vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Front accident. Sending SMS. Message sent. We will receive the SMS alert. Front accident. Left accident. Left accident, front accident, right accident, alcohol detection. Then we are going for the back accident. Right, left, front, back, force type and alcohol detection. Take alcohol and give to you. Power supply board, GSM SIM 900A, 16x2 LC display, back accident. X coordinate, Y coordinate goes to ADXL335 accelerometer values and alcohol sensor values. Okay, now I am giving the alcohol 200 and above, and it will send the SMS alert with Google Map location. This is total block diagram of the project. Enhancing road safety, a smart alcohol and vehicle accident detection with GSM GPS integration. Okay, so press this location. svsembedded. Thank you.